Hey guys, what's up? It's the miners here. We're gonna be vlogging today. This is on my phone. Usually we're gonna try and do it on the camcorder, but I don't have it right now, so I just want to introduce you guys. Hi. This is Joshy.
Hi.
Get the juice box out of your mouth. Say hi.
Hi.
That's Josh. Marley and May right now, they're inside. They're getting their shoes and their coat on. And this is Dillstar. That's Dylan. He'll be probably with us mostly a lot because he's our neighbor and we're pretty close friends. But this is our first vlog, so I don't really know what we're gonna do. But I just want to introduce you guys to like the miners, you know. But it's kind of cold out. This is Marley.
These are those.
Why are you riding on the girl bike?
And Marley.
Kitten!
So, I don't know. Let's just like go have fun, I guess.
Look at the kitten. It's freezing.
This is our kitten.
So is that one over there?
That's Batman. And then Shadow's over here. He just likes to kind of run wild, I guess.
Okay.
So, oh yeah, and you guys should like leave feedback, like if you like vlogs or like if you don't. But like we'll do it if you guys like it. This is Shadow.
They don't know their names yet, but they can still come outside.
Yeah, but they still come back somehow. I don't really know why.
Haley, I can pause my thing.
Yeah, so can I. Pause.
But I want to
This is Dylan.
I've been looking for
Why?
these shoes, Haley.
I can.
I've been looking for these shoes. Get out of the road!
Car. I'll be right back in a second, okay guys?
Like I said,
Alright guys, I'm back. So, we're going over to Dylan's house. He's gonna show us a surprise. I don't know what it is. I'm just kidding, I know what it is, but I want you guys to be surprised. And right now, in the comments, say what you think it's gonna be, and then, yeah. Anybody like my hair?
Haley,
Yeah, our mom's a hairstylist, so. Hey, Dylan's vlogging on too.
Don't show me.
I'm not.
The
But
black kitten just ran in front of a car and the car had to
it's
stop.
fine. But there's a really big difference between Dylan's camera and my camera, but whatever. Marley. That's Marley, she'll be playing too. Talking to Dylan's, not mine, but we both have Samsung phones. I'm probably gonna get a new phone soon, guys, so I'm either gonna use my camcorder or my phone, which I'm getting an iPhone, so it just depends, like, literally where, like, if the battery's good or not. Alright, here's Dill. Alright, guys.
Alright, guys. I got my bike. I guess you could say a bike. But it's not really a bike. It's a dirt bike that you use on dirt. So,
That you use on dirt.
Hey, you
guys ready?
Alright. He's gonna catwalk, I guess. Hopefully he doesn't die.
I know! I'm just doing something real quick. Get out, hey!
Oh my god!
You don't like dogs!
Go! Right there, man.
That is badass.
He feels cool.
Can you
watch out. Go. That was terrible. Car coming.
I hope that thing flips over.
Mean.
Flip over, flip over, flip over, flip over.
All right, he's done. But here's Dylan's dog, Moochie. Dylan's got to put his bike up, so. His dad's out. His dad's out.
Yeah, well, look at the cat.
You had a dirt bike before, didn't you?
Huh?
You had a dirt bike, not here though, right?
I think it's in the shed still, but it's broke. It doesn't,
But you never rode it around here.
because it's broke. It doesn't work.
But
I think the transmission's out or something like that. I don't really know.
we have to check with the office. I'm sure it was definitely not.
Probably.
Dylan was in the road when that car was going.
Yeah, it did.
Playing
He was
soccer.
right there.
He was on the side.
No, I'm not right there.
Moochie, Moochie.
Look at the other dog in there.
So yeah, we live in Trailer Park. Well, I don't, but I'm with my siblings right now, babysitting. So they live in Trailer Park, so we're just with them right now.
Look at the kitty.
But
Bobby.
I want you guys to tell us like what you think of our vlogs, because like I don't know, we like doing these. I guess we don't really mind vlogs,
Not really.
but
Bobby.
I don't know.
Bobby.
And you guys get to see our face, see what we look like. So I don't know.
Show Bobby. You didn't show him Bobby.
And if you guys like want me to do a certain like thing, like I can ride Dylan's dirt bike or something, do catwalks for you guys or something, or we can do different games. But that will be it for the first vlog. See ya.
Bye.
That'll be it for the first vlog today, guys. So
No, you always make
hashtag
them so short.
hashtag
Oh my
miners
God.
down below in the comments, and
Why
smash
do you
that like
always
button.
make them short?
Love you guys. Peace out.